Hello friends, today we're going to cook Pav Bhaji, the special street food from Mumbai, but obviously we're going to twist it around and make it our own. I want to try a vegan version, so cut out butter from it, which probably back home is the main ingredient in this. So I don't know what you think about it, but believe me, it tastes so good. And you don't miss the butter part of it at all. So we're going to do it together. But if you do want to eat the real Pav Bhaji with loads and loads of butter, do visit one of these restaurants around us. Eat out to help out. But for home, let's try this version. We have a whole load of goodness around here. Fresh vegetables and sprouted lentils. Let's get going. So let's get going. I'll explain about each ingredient as we go along. Let's start just, so there's no butter around, so I'm just using this cooking oil spray to spray the pan. The first thing to go in is the onion. So I'll explain it to you. These are our red onions, these are regular onions, and this is Mumbai or Indian onions. So this is not very easy to source. So what I usually do is use our onions with a bit of red onions to get that effect. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'll use loads of onion, chopped onion, go in. And whenever you put onions, and because there's less oil, put a bit of salt, and that will help the onion cook quicker. So while the onions are cooking, I'll just show you the vegetables. So these are frozen country mix vegetables you can buy in any supermarket. So I've just taken them out of the freezer and overnight. So now what I'm going to do is just blend them in the grinder. There you go. So we just roughly chop these vegetables. So as you see, the onions are translucent and lightly colored. That's when we add the spices. Loads of coriander powder. A bit, very small amount of turmeric. Red chilli powder. And a bit of cumin powder. I put the spices. And a bit of the Pav Bhaji masala. This is my favorite brand. It's from Mumbai. I just love this. So a bit of this one at this stage and bit when we are about to finish. Add a bit of moisture for the spices to cook. Now I have allowed the spices to cook for about 5 minutes, added a bit of moisture twice. Traditionally you would wait for the oil to ooze out, but since in here there's not much oil anyway, So we have to cook for about 5 minutes. So now it's time to add tomatoes. Now these are the chopped Italian tinned tomatoes. Okay, there you go. You can obviously again use fresh if you wish, chopped fresh tomatoes, but I am today using these chopped Italian tinned tomatoes. So I've let the tomatoes cook for about 7 or 8 minutes. And now I think they are ready for us to put in the vegetables. So here I have cauliflower grated. So you can always buy cauliflower rice from the supermarket, and there goes. This is cauliflower. Followed by the country mixed vegetable frozen. And now rest of the vegetables can go in. So I had yellow peppers in the fridge. And then sweet corn. This is also a tin. Mixture of ginger, Turkish chilies and spicy Indian or Thai green chilies. Water. And if you follow my recipes, you would have in your fridge this tomato and garlic chutney. Why not put a bit of that in as well? And we'll cover it and let it cook for about 5 more minutes. While this is bubbling away, you don't have to cook too much. It's time to add the boiled potatoes. So with Indian food, my preference is always going for the red potatoes, desired red potatoes. So these are these potatoes boiled and then mashed. You can even cook them in the microwave. Just pierce them and then cook in the microwave. So now this has been bubbling away for a couple of minutes. Don't want to cook it too much. I'm going to finish it off with the moong lentil sprouts, but you can use any bean sprouts. I think it gives a fantastic addition to the Pav Bhaji. Loads of coriander, fresh coriander. It should be already very tangy, but I'm going to put a bit of. Let's finish it off with a bit of lemon juice. And some more of the Pav Bhaji masala. I'm going to serve it to my family with I just bought these wholemeal babs, which obviously I'll just pan fry a bit or maybe toast and keep the healthy theme going. My friends, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed cooking my version of the Pav Bhaji, the healthier version. Next time we're going to hack into another Mumbai Parsi dish called dhan sak. We'll again make a vegetarian version, probably vegan as well. So next time don't miss dhan sak from Mumbai. Thank you.